Which is better? The Air Jordan 6 Retro Black Infrared or the Jordan 6 Retro Electric Green? Which is better? You tell me which is better. Which is better? Which is better? Now, I know a lot of y'all gonna say these, the breads, black and red or whatever. Yeah. You know, anything black and red is hot. Resale value, the value on them is high. But let's talk a little bit about these. Now, they came out on the 19th, 2/16/19. Retail price $200. Resale value on StockX as of today, 23rd, $460. Size 12, my size. GOAT, $459. Size 12. These are more valuable. We all know that. Just a little info on the infrared. Now, electric green. They came out 6/5/21. StockX resale value $250. Size 12, my size. GOAT, $275. Size 12. Now, I like both of them, but my favorite color, black, red, and white. I'm gonna go with these. These are hot. Y'all tell me, what's y'all favorite? Which one you like the best? I know majority of y'all gonna say these. These are dope. But I wanna know who gonna say these. How many people gonna say these? Electric green, fire. I mean, they fire. I'm rocking with these. Black infrareds. All right.